Hi there. If you're a coordinator or an admin of an event created using Ticket Generator, this video will help you see how to validate guests at the entry point using the Ticket Validator mobile app. If you're an admin, you'll have to add coordinators to your event in the Ticket Generator app. We've already created a video on how to do that. You can find its link in the comments. Now, download the Ticket Validator mobile app if you haven't already. It's available for free on both App Store and Play Store. If you are an event coordinator, you must have got an email invitation email from the administration. This email will have a link to help you set up a password for the Ticket Validator app. You'll need this email address and password to log in. If you're an admin, just use your Ticket Generator credentials to log in to Ticket Validator 2. Now log in to the Ticket Validator app. On the login screen, enter the registered email and password. Next, you'll see the list of events you have access to. Note that you'll only be able to access events for which tickets have been activated already and ticket validation is now allowed. It'll be best to test the app first. You'll see sample event in the list of events. It'll help you test sample tickets to understand how the app works. Check your mail to find an email with sample tickets attached. Keep these sample tickets handy. On the mobile's app, click on Sample Event. The scanner will open up. Give camera access permission if required. Now, point the camera at the QR code printed on the valid sample ticket. You can also enter the ticket code printed on the ticket. On scanning this QR code or entering the ticket code, you'll see the response valid. You'll see the same each time a genuine ticket is scanned. Guests with such tickets should be allowed to enter. Depending on how the event was set up, you may also detail such as seat number, hall, and name of the guest. Next, try scanning a duplicate or used sample ticket. In this case, you'll see a yellow pop-up. Here there are two possibilities. First, the guest is trying to enter the event with a duplicate or used ticket. In such cases, you should not allow entry and choose the Mark as Duplicate option. Second, the guest is trying to temporarily exit the event. You can scan the QR code of their used ticket and choose the option Allow for re-entry. Now when they try to re-enter, the app will show a valid response. Next, try scanning an invalid ticket. The app will show the invalid response in red. A ticket is considered invalid if the ticket is not of that event or if the event has expired. You can now go back to the events list and choose the actual event to validate actual tickets. Hope this was helpful. Here's another deal: on the mobile app homepage, you can click on the profile icon to change your password. You can even log out from the app using this screen. If you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team by dropping an email to support@ticket-generator.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.